Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. If you are a newbie here, welcome to the channel. No. Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. If you are a newbie here, welcome. Hey angels, welcome back to my channel. If you are a newbie here, welcome. What did I say? I'm just saying I can be, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world. Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. If you are a newbie here, welcome. I am Angel Ngosi. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I think I'm gonna let the intro thing go because I don't know why. It's not my thing. I feel like it's very genuine, but like, I don't know, I'll think about it. But in this video we're gonna be unboxing, so we're unboxing my fridge and my kettle. So I'm just gonna be doing that with you guys and just taking you guys along. So I filmed and unboxed a bit earlier, and then I decided to, okay, I was in the middle of cleaning, so I just continued with that, and then I freshened up again, and then yeah, so now I'm just saying, I just decided to let me just do the intro and get it over and done with. Yeah, so I didn't really do an intro in the beginning, so that's why I'm doing it now. I'm sure that was obvious. So yeah, let's get to the video. Finally, guys, I was actually in the middle of another vlog, but I was like, I have meat and shit, and like, I need to unbox this shit quick. So let's do it! Okay guys, I'm just gonna play music and I'll unbox, and then I probably won't even touch anything else. Let's do this shit. Close your eyes to get away. Bang my night and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, it's chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no way. If you got time to
what do they say? It's giving me a lostro. I don't know what that means, but it's space. But I decided to pause my music so you guys can actually hear my reaction. Right, I was about to scream. It almost fell. I was like, no way. But guys, let me bring y'all closer actually, so you can see. Oh, I can see that. Oh, ring lights. I know y'all can see that. Like, and guys, it's still plastic here, and I don't even know if I want to take it off because. What did I do? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it off. Right? Oh, so pretty. I love it. Love it. I need to get this shit working. Like, I need to plug it because I have groceries and I don't want them to go bad. I have meat. Yo.
Try to undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where I'm staying. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, he's still good. Oh, he's still good. If I need to talk, move around. Are you down for the call?
I love that it has an ice tray. I absolutely love it because I thought I was gonna have to buy this. I'm obviously gonna buy these, but like, I'm glad that I have something meanwhile, you know. For eggs, and I have exactly 6 eggs. I don't know where these go. I'm gonna figure that out. And that, what do you call it, box, it really scared me, hey? I'm gonna have to read this, see how it works. There's a lot of reading to do. Now I'm so close. Okay, I'm gonna read this. So pretty, love it. Even the outside, like, I really love it. Oh, the freezer. Okay, no tapes here. So I'm just gonna take this off. Wish me luck. Thankfully, I don't have kids. I live alone, so no one's gonna mess with my stuff. It's not like coming off like properly, you know. Let's just see. And I feel like this is like a protective layer, but it's so ugly. Like,
tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama,
and I have what the texture, it's not the texture, but like I love the, I'm looking for the word, I'll find it, but the surface, right? The texture and the material of the surface, like it won't have like fingerprints on it and things like that. I'll just have to wipe it once and I know it's gonna be fine, you know. Unlike the glass one, fingerprints and all of that. I like the glass one. I'll get it when I get a bigger apartment. For now, this is perfect. This is perfect. Yeah, it's everything and more. I've been wanting like this one, like specifically. Even when I got to like game, I bought it at game, by the way. Even when I got there, I saw it from like afar. Okay, not really afar, but obviously there's like a line of fridges, and I was like, that's the one. That's the one. Because I did my research and I was like, yeah, I want this one. I want this one. So this thing is the one that's usually like fitted here. I don't hate that.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, but shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Claps.
Are done unboxing this baby. Should I name her? No. So now my other favorite. Ooh. ASMR. Drum roll, please. Okay. Isn't she lovely? Also have to read this. You can find it. I don't even have cups for tea, but oh, how do I hate her? I love it, guys. Imagine if I like this. What do you call this? This part only. You know what I mean. Love her. Really, really love her. I love her. Russell Hobbs. How do you open this? Oh. Love her. Love her. My kettle's gonna like choke her. Because this is the closest part.
Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. In a pretty mixed up, this like shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you you want me home. I get you what you want. But you want me alone. Girl, maybe I'm acting. You filled me up, but now I was helping out. But I don't want you around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you. I love you, girl, but I got things to do. It's so much to be your boyfriend. Mine. And you ain't making this much easier. Now I used to be your best friend. She be blowing up. Don't act like the average. You want me home. Get you what you want. Superstar status. You told me no. Don't me I'm back. It filled me up. Now I was living out. But I don't want you around. It's okay. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long. It filled me up. Now I was living out. But I don't want you around. For me.
Whip, bought it, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you.
That is it for this video. Thank you for watching up until this far. Thank you for returning if you're a returning subscriber, and thank you to the new ones, the newbies, the new babies, for stopping by and watching until this far. Yeah, I really had fun. I really am feeling very grateful and very thankful and appreciative of everything, and I just want to say, for anyone who's just going through it, you're gonna be fine. Honestly, you are. And yeah, just keep moving, and all will be well. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here and just say thank you to everyone, and hoping to see you again in my next video. Peace and love.